Okay, hello students, all of you good morning. Today I am going to start the revision of our first chapter, our solar system. Do you look up at the sky at night? What do you see? You see thousands of twinkling points of bright light. Have you seen in the sky at night the thousands of bright twinkling stars? Yes. These point of lights are called the stars. These point of lights are called the stars. Many times whenever you see in the sky at night, you see many of twinkling stars. Are you able to see? That bright light is known as the stars. That bright light is known as the stars. In stars, okay, now we will going to learn about the solar system. In the sky there is a huge, large universe. The large universe. Now see here, all of you, we will study about the universe. We will study about the universe. Look up at the sky on a cloud night. You will see a vast space with many twinkling dots. With many twinkling dots. The sky is a part of an endless space that is called the universe. जब हम आसमान में देखते हैं रात को तो हमें पूरे बड़े बहुत सारे ट्विंकलिंग लाइट्स दिखाई देते हैं. उस ट्विंकलिंग लाइट्स के डॉट जो होते हैं उसके जो एंडलेस पार्ट्स होते हैं, उसकी स्पेस होता है, उसके साइड्स के आसपास जो भी स्पेसेस होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द यूनिवर्स. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? यूनिवर्स. नो वन नो एग्जैक्टली हाउ लार्ज द यूनिवर्स इज. ये किसी को भी नहीं पता है कि यूनिवर्स कितना बड़ा है. नो वन नोज हाउ मच इट्स लार्ज. द अर्थ इज लाइक अ टाइनी ग्रेन ऑफ सैंड इन दिस वास्ट यूनिवर्स. बस इस पूरे यूनिवर्स में, दैट इज वास्ट यूनिवर्स, द अर्थ इज जस्ट लुक लाइक अ टाइनी बॉल. इट्स अ वेरी 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 स्मॉल. इट्स जस्ट अ टाइनी बॉल. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना सरसों की दाने, लाइक दिस इट इज अ वेरी टाइनी बॉल इन द यूनिवर्स. Stars, galaxy and constellations. Stars, galaxy, stars, galaxy and constellation. Stars, galaxy and constellations. Most of the bright twinkling objects you see in the sky at nights are known as stars. Previously I told you just starting that whatever in the sky, whenever we see the many twinkling bright lights, it is called the stars. Stars are huge ball of hot burning gases. It is a huge ball of hot burning gases. ये एक आग के गोले की तरह होता है. They give us heat and light. They look small because they are very far away from us. वो हमें हीट और लाइट देते हैं. अब वो जो है हमसे बहुत दूर है. They are very far away from us. That's why they just look like a tiny ball. A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. Whenever see in a place that's a very large group of stars are there, it is known as a galaxy. When seen from the earth, some of the stars appear to form a beautiful pattern. जब हम आसमान में देखते हैं तो कभी कहीं में हमें स्टार्स से बने हुए अच्छे कुछ एक फिगर सा क्लियर होता है, दिखाई देता है. मतलब वो स्टार्स जो होते हैं, the stars are only they make a own pattern. They make a pattern. Just they look like in a some pattern or they create a pictures of anything. That is known as the constellation. That is known as the constellation. Constellations are usually named after people. Constellation जो है लोगों के नाम से होता है. जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं people, animal और famous characters in stories. Some of the constellations that are easy to spot are Orion, the Great Bear and Leo. It's clear that वो जो constellation जो पिक्चर्स दिखाई देता है वो कोई ना कोई क्लियर पिक्चर्स हमें, जैसे ओरियस को बोल सकते हैं, लियो बोल सकते हैं, या फिर ग्रेट बियर हो, इस तरह का पिक्चर्स हमें दिखाई देता है. नेक्स्ट इज द सोलर सिस्टम. We see the sun in the sky each morning. हर सुबह हम आसमान में सूरज को राइज करते हुए, उगते हुए देखते हैं कि नहीं देखते हैं? आप लोग बताइए, क्या हम देखते हैं? यस, हमें देखते हैं। डू यू नो दैट द सन इज ऑल्सो ए स्टार? क्या आपको पता है कि सन भी एक स्टार है? क्या आपको पता है कि सन भी एक स्टार है? दिस इज द सन, इट इज ऑल्सो अ व्हाट? स्टार। क्या आपको पता है कि सन एक स्टार है? सन एक स्टार है। इट इज द स्टार क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ। सन एक ऐसा स्टार है जो अर्थ के बहुत ही क्लोज है। सन इज ए स्टार विच इज क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ। इट इज very near to our earth. Like other stars, it is also a large ball of extremely hot gas. बाकी स्टार्स की ही तरह ये भी एक हॉट बर्निंग गैस की तरह होता है। That sun is also a hot, extremely hot gas. It also gives us, and it's only a very large ball of sun that very near to the earth, and it gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light, and the sun is also a star. The earth moves around the sun. There are many other heavenly bodies that move around the sun. The sun is very important to us. Life on earth is possible because of the light and heat. sun हमारे लिए बहुत ही important है, क्योंकि सन हमें क्या देता है? It gives us what? It gives us heat and light, and we get from the sun. And our life is only possible on the earth because of the heat and light. And heat and light is from where we get heat and light? We get heat and light from the sun, and because of that only we can able to survive on the earth. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. See here. Here is the sun. The earth moves around the sun. The sun and these heavenly bodies. There are many other heavenly bodies that moves around the except Earth. Many other heavenly bodies are there. We have total 8 planets. We have how many planets? 8 planets. Each and every planet is known as the heavenly. All these planets are called as the heavenly bodies, and these heavenly bodies are taking round of the sun. Earth is also taking round of the sun. So it is called together. It's called the solar system. So together is called the solar system. Just see here, all of you. See here. This is the sun. Okay. All these heavenly bodies are known as the planets. All these planets are taking round of the sun, which is so all these heavenly bodies taking round. All these completely together we call the solar system. What we say? We say the solar system.